Okay, well, I wanted to thank the River Canard Canoe Company that lets me use their put-in today. I'm going to head through River Canard down to an offshoot called Cahill Creek. I'm going to, I don't know, take a ride up there for a while, probably pull ashore, make something to eat, and then head back. So hope you enjoy. I'm glad you tuned in, and I don't know, enjoy this beautiful day with me. It's May 3rd today, and it's just beautiful out. The water's nice and calm, and it's a perfect day to go canoeing. So like I said, thanks for coming out, and hopefully you enjoyed today's adventure. See ya. I guess you could say I have some proof that there's beavers on the River Canard, actually Cahill Creek. Because if you look back there, there's quite a few trees cut down. So I think we need to find out where we're living. Sounds. It's awesome. Alright, I'm gonna keep heading this way. It's nice and tight down here before it goes underneath a couple culverts. More than once I've been canoeing down here and had a hawk swoop down through here. There's another area on the actual River Canard that has a couple bald eagles. Big, huge nests. So next time I'm out, I'll go that way. Okay, we're coming up here to the first overpass. I gotta go under. It's not going to be fun. If I can fit. I don't know about that. I don't know. It's not good. Can't fit under there. Well, I guess I could get out portage across. Hey everyone. Well, I thought about it. Not going portage across. It's not a big deal, but I don't feel like it. And I've been that way a million times. There's two forks up here in the waterway. I want to take both of those offshoots and just see where it leads me. I know I've been down one before. I'm not sure where it takes me. It's been a couple years since I went that way, but because the water level's high, I know we can go quite a distance. So I do. That's what I'm going to choose to do. So. We'll head back the way we came. We see the first offshoot. I'll head down left down that way as far as I can. Check it out. And come back and hit the next one as well. I think right up here to the left is the first offshoot that will go down. So I'm actually glad that the water level was so high and I didn't choose to portage over the bridge there. But wow, this is just beautiful through here. Like I said, I haven't been down this way in a couple of years, so at least down this path. And I'll turn the camera around here in a minute, but yeah, it's beautiful through here. Can't see any farms. It's like woods on both sides. I love it. Gotta come this way more often. Here, I'll show you. It's actually really awesome. Still hear lawnmowers though. But other than that, I could convince myself that I'm somewhere else. What am I saying? There's nothing wrong with that Essex County. It's just not, you know. As secluded, say, as up north. I'm loving this. Well, that's about the end of this way. It's just a gravel down there. For a second. As you can see down there, there ain't much to it. And here it gets quite narrow. It's pretty much a ditch at this point, so I'm going to turn back and go to where the other little shoot off there is. Hey, still fine. Oh, let's go. That there is a big oak. Couple big oaks in here. Wow. Huge. A little bit of interference over here. I have to go too far left. Okay, well, we're coming back out to the main part of Cahill Creek. We're going to take a left here, follow Cahill Creek down till we get to the first offshoot that was quite a bit more narrow than the one we just went down. Gotta love it. Here we are, directly across from where the beavers cut down a bunch of trees. There's another inlet. Gets quite narrow quite fast. There's a tree across there, branch. Just run it over its branch. Well, there ain't much of a route. We'll go through the first little part here, but if it keeps ending up like this, I'm interested. Too many ticks this time of year. I don't need that. Invasive species, great. Alright. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Back up. Reverse. back out in the Cahill. Alright. Back this way. Just seen a gar pike. Unfortunately, the camera was not rolling. Coming back out here to River Canard. Back out into River Canard. It's a little windy across here, that's for sure. My knees are pretty bad anymore, so I'm having a hard time kneeling. So my weight's further back, there's no weight in the front of the boat, so it works as a sail. Once I get across here, the shore will protect me from the wind, and I'll have a nice, easy trip back in. Well, I'm heading back in now. Never did have a shore lunch. I was having too much fun canoeing, so it's nice put in here. The water level's really high. You have a side step here. Perfect. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, Tom from the Canoeing Connects. See you soon.